Hi guys. I know I's and J's can be a little tricky to understand, so I thought I'd try to help you out. So first of all, what you're trying to do is when you're doing a G2 or G3 move, you're doing circular interpolation. So a G3 is counterclockwise move. An arc move, and so what you need to do is solve this. Tell the machine what the center of the arc is. So, and it's always going to be an incremental move. So, basically, what is the distance that the cutter is to the center of the swing? So if it's going to be going to the right, where the center of the arc is, it's going to be, I plus. If it's down here, it's going to be J plus. If the center of the arc is to the left, it's going to be I negative. And the top, by default here, is going to be J minus. So a real simple move, if you're going to be cutting a complete circle and it's 50 away inches or millimeters or whatever, and you're going counterclockwise, it would be G3 J50, because if you're starting right here, the center of the arc is right here, and you want to do a complete cut all the way back, it'll be just G3 J50, and also a feed command if you haven't defined that up above. So, but if you want to stop the cutter at any point, let's say you want to stop it up on top, so then it would be, you have to define the X and Y along with the incremental J. So you have to define the center of the arc. What we're seeing here is what? Here it is, right? You're here. The center of the arc is here. This represents 50, so you write down 50. We want to go clockwise, so it's G3. We want to stop up here. So if this represents X0 and it's not going to be in a different X spot, it's going to stay at X0. And then Y100. You probably don't have to write or type out X0, but I like to put that in there. So you want it to stop there, and then you are going to go into another arc, a bigger arc, or maybe you want to do a G1 move, and whatever you want to do from this point on, you can calculate the next move. Down here, this one's a little bit more complicated, so I kind of I wrote the steps out here, and so here's the cutter right here, and you want to get it here. So the move is going to be counterclockwise, G3. The X move is 101.5. The Y move is Y minus 145. Now you need to define the center of the arc. Well, we know that the I is 101.5, and we need to solve for J. So the first step is we need to solve the large hypotenuse. Okay, so let's take the handy little Machinist Calc Pro out here, and so let's type this in. So we got 145 is adjacent. 101.5 is opposite. And now we hit the hypotenuse. That equals 176.9951. Okay. And let's hit the angle and get the angle done, because step 2 is solve the bottom angle. So we'll just push that and we can write that out. 34.99202 degrees. Okay, perfect. Now, the next step, divide the large hypotenuse by 2. Okay, so 176.9951 divided by 2 equals 88.4975. Okay, so now we've got 2 pieces of right triangle, so we can finish this up. So now we know the new adjacent is 88.49755. Adjacent 34.99202 is the angle, and our new smaller hypotenuse is 108.025. Okay, now we've got to subtract 145 from this smaller number. Minus 145 minus 108.025 equals an answer of 36.975. 36.975. Well, there you have it. I hope this helps. And have a great day. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.